5 foods that fix insulin resistance after 50. Surgeon-approved. Are you over 50 and fighting with stubborn belly fat? Do you feel that deep down, bone-tired kind of fatigue, even after a full night's sleep? If so, you're not alone. Many people try all sorts of diets, only to end up frustrated. It can feel like your body is working against you, like some invisible force is making it impossible to lose weight and feel good again. That invisible force might just be a hidden problem called insulin resistance, which becomes incredibly common after 50. But what if you could start tackling this problem right now? Not with another punishing diet, but by adding 5 specific, powerful foods to your plate. I'm a general practitioner with over 20 years of experience helping patients restore their metabolic health. And I've seen how the right foods can create life-changing results. In this video, I'm sharing 5 surgeon-approved foods scientifically shown to help fix insulin resistance so you can finally feel in control of your body again. What is insulin resistance and why does it matter after 50? So, what exactly is insulin resistance? Imagine your cells have doors with locks. Insulin is the key that unlocks those doors to let glucose or blood sugar inside to be used for energy. With insulin resistance, the locks on your cells get rusty. The insulin key doesn't fit as well. Your pancreas senses this and goes into overdrive, pumping out more insulin to force those doors open. For a while, this keeps your blood sugar normal. But eventually, your pancreas gets exhausted, and blood sugar levels rise, paving the way for pre-diabetes and type 2 diabetes. Those high insulin levels are constantly telling your body to store fat, especially around your belly, making it nearly impossible to lose weight. After 50, this process can accelerate. We naturally lose muscle mass, and muscle is a primary place our bodies use glucose. Hormonal shifts, especially during menopause, also increase insulin resistance. Add in a slower metabolism and chronic inflammation, and the old eat less, move more advice might not be enough. Your biology has changed. But the good news is, we can fight back with food. We can give our bodies the tools to clean off those rusty locks and make our cells listen to insulin again. Whole grains. The first food might be a surprise if you've been taught to fear carbs. Whole grains. I'm talking about real, minimally processed grains like steel-cut oats, quinoa, barley, and brown rice. The science boils down to fiber, specifically a type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan, found in oats and barley. When you eat these grains, the fiber creates a gel in your gut that slows down how fast glucose enters your bloodstream. This prevents big blood sugar spikes. Studies show that daily intake of beta-glucan from oats can significantly improve long-term blood sugar control. Quinoa is another fantastic choice. Recent research has shown that for people with early signs of blood sugar trouble, adding quinoa can help manage blood sugar levels and lower the chances of progressing to diabetes. How do you do this? Start your day with steel-cut oats. Swap white rice for quinoa or brown rice. Toss barley into soups. These simple switches give your body slow-burn energy, keeping you full and your blood sugar stable. Lean proteins. Second is lean protein. Skinless chicken, turkey, fish, and plant-based options like lentils and chickpeas. For anyone over 50, protein is essential for fighting insulin resistance. First, protein builds muscle. Age-related muscle loss is a huge driver of insulin resistance because muscle acts like a sugar sponge. The more you have, the more glucose you can store away from your bloodstream. Eating enough protein provides the raw materials to maintain and even build muscle. Second, some proteins are especially powerful. Fatty fish, like salmon and tuna, are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which have strong anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is a key part of insulin resistance. Omega-3 South help put out that fire. Research shows they can help shift the body to an anti-inflammatory state, which directly weakens insulin resistance. Aim for a source of lean protein with every meal. A serving of grilled salmon gives you both high-quality protein and a dose of anti-inflammatory omega-3 South. This helps maintain your body's sugar-burning engine, your muscles, while fighting inflammation. Non-starchy vegetables, our third category, is one you can eat with abandon. Non-starchy vegetables. Think leafy greens like spinach, cruciferous veggies like broccoli, and colorful peppers and tomatoes. These vegetables are metabolic champions. They're low in carbs, so they barely move the needle on your blood sugar. Their real magic is that they're full of fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. The antioxidants help polish off cellular rust or oxidative stress that worsens insulin resistance. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli are especially important because they contain a compound called sulforaphane. Studies show sulforaphane has powerful anti-inflammatory effects and may directly improve insulin sensitivity. Leafy greens are also packed with magnesium, a mineral vital for glucose use. In fact, magnesium deficiency is strongly linked to insulin resistance, and studies show that supplementation can improve insulin sensitivity. Make it your goal to fill half your plate with non-starchy vegetables at lunch and dinner. When you flood your body with these foods, you're cooling inflammation and helping your cells finally hear insulin's message. If you're finding this information valuable, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. I put out new science-backed videos every week. And please hit the like button. It really helps share this important message with others. Berries. Fourth on our list is a sweet treat you can feel good about. Berries. Blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries are loaded with powerful compounds for fighting insulin resistance. Their secret weapon is a type of antioxidant called anthocyanins, which give berries their rich red, blue, and purple colors. A wave of research shows these compounds can directly improve insulin sensitivity by fighting oxidative stress and inflammation. Even though they taste sweet, berries have a low impact on blood sugar because their sugar comes packaged with lots of fiber, preventing sharp spikes. Enjoy a cup of mixed berries with your oatmeal or on its own. A serving of berries is like sending a specialized repair crew to your cells, helping to clean up insulin signaling pathways. Healthy fats. Last but not least, healthy fats. We now know the right fats are essential for fixing insulin resistance. I'm talking about the fats found in extra virgin olive oil, avocados, nuts, and seeds. These fats are incredibly anti-inflammatory. Extra virgin olive oil is a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, which is famous for improving insulin sensitivity. Healthy fats are also critical for your cell membranes, the structure that contains our rusty locks. Diets rich in monounsaturated fats, like those in avocados and nuts, help keep these membranes healthy so your insulin receptors can work correctly. Finally, fats are satisfying. Adding avocado to your salad or grabbing a handful of almonds slows digestion and keeps you feeling full, which helps prevent grazing on high snacks that fuel the cycle of high insulin. So, drizzle olive oil on your salads, enjoy avocado with your eggs, and snack on a small handful of walnuts. These fats are essential for taming inflammation and finding metabolic balance. So there you have it, 5 powerful, Sejun-approved foods to help fix insulin resistance after 50. Let's recap. Whole grains like oats and quinoa to keep blood sugar steady. Lean proteins like salmon and chicken to build muscle and fight inflammation. Non-starchy vegetables like broccoli and spinach to provide antioxidants and fiber. Berries for unique compounds that directly improve how your cells respond to insulin. Healthy fats from olive oil and avocados to reduce inflammation and support your cells. It can feel disheartening when your body doesn't respond like it used to. But you hold the power to change your metabolic health, and it starts with your next meal. This isn't about a restrictive diet. It's about strategically adding these foods to reclaim your energy. Reach a healthy weight and shield yourself from chronic disease. I'd love to hear from you. Which of these foods are you most excited to add to your meals? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.